Twitters and vlogs, and today we are doing a slime kit. It's the Nickelodeon slime. Let's open it up. Let's see. And we've got some stuff. We got a bowl, paint. We got white paint, white glue, activator, frubbles and glitter and eyeballs and other weird stuff. Paint and we've got some clear glue and we have some cups and lids and a spoon and some sticks. And we have the directions. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back and we're gonna add all the ingredients and make the slime. So first we're gonna add the glue. Yes, this is the clear one. Yeah, right here. And I'm gonna pour in. And we have to scrape it with the stick because the directions said scrape it with the stick to get all the glue in there. It's hard to see because the glue is clear. There's glue on the stick. There we go. I think that's good. And then next, I got glue on me. We're gonna add some of the water. We're doubling all the ingredients because we want big slime. So you're gonna get 1 spoonful of the glow color. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Now I'm gonna get 1 spoonful of this stuff of the glow. More glow on the spoon. There we go. So 1 spoonful of glow. 2 spoonfuls of glow. I'm gonna do a little bit more because, yeah. Here we go. We're gonna use purple for this. Oh shoot, it's getting everywhere. Purple. And now I'm gonna stir it. And then we should have glow slime. It looks strange. I'm gonna stir. Makes the weirdest noises. It's like a liquid. And we're gonna be right back. Okay, so we are back and we added the activator and now we're stirring it until it gels up. But to me, I think it already gelled up. I got it. It's not that sticky. Kneading process going on.
It looks like it turned out really good.
Oh, it's kind of sticky, but it's not that sticky.
No, it's not sticky.
So Kneading. I need some of this, and I need some of that, and I need the kneading, I need the ingredients. And squish and squish and squish and knead, roll. It feels jello-y, like jello. And rolling and knead and squish and squish and knead and squish and knead. Keeps breaking. Alright, here we go. Knead some more. We don't have that soft consistency yet. Squish the meat. Roll it around. Alright, I think we are done kneading it. So, here it is. And the finale! But okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!